Let's make dinner with Ella. Her mind was filled with thoughts while her hands were restless. She chopped tomatoes, minced garlic, sauteed onions, simmered sauce, grated orange peels, and kneaded dough for a loaf of whole wheat bread. That last was based on the golden advice David's mother had given her when they got engaged. Nothing reminds a man of home like the smell of freshly baked bread, she had said. Never buy your bread. Bake it yourself, honey. It will work wonders. Working the entire afternoon, Ella set an exquisite table with matching napkins, scented candles, and a bouquet of yellow and orange flowers. So bright and striking that they looked almost artificial. For the final touch, she added sparkly napkin rings. When she was for the dining table, resembled those found in stylish home magazines.